Good morning, Swati ma'am. Good morning, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
You'll read the lesson. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Swati, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Is everybody ready now? Yes? Okay. So, shall we start first reading of the lesson? Then we shall also revise the question answers from our notebook. Patel will start the reading. Arav Patel, Ashvi Varshnai, Anushka Chararia and Anvi Kothari. I repeat, Arav Patel, Ashvi Varshnai, Anushka Chararia, Anvi Kothari.
Ma'am, what you have to do? Ma'am, what you
Reading
have
a
to do?
Reading aloud lesson Alice in Wonderland. Sentences each child will read. 3 sentences each child will read. First, Arav Patel, Ashvi Varshnai, Anushka Chararia, Anvi Kothari. Why Arav has not yet started? Then I will not give you the turn again. If Arav is
Ma'am,
not
you have to
listening,
read
yes, you
Alice
have
in
to start
Wonderland.
reading. Of course, you have to start reading Alice in Wonderland. 3 sentences each.
Okay, ma'am. Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out
Stop.
a
Only 3
big
sentences I said. Ashvi Varshnai. And Arav, why your camera is switched off, beta?
My camera is on.
His camera is on.
Arav, I cannot see. I
Yes,
cannot see
Arav.
Shubh Singala. All others I can see. Anyway, Ashvi, please start.
He took out a big box from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried the other, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." He thought there was something very different about his jacket. It could talk, it had a red waistcoat, and it had
Enough, Ashvi.
Ma'am, sorry,
Anushka, only 3 sentences, huh? Anushka, please. Not more than that. After that, Anvi Kothari, then Aryaman Sangai.
Mom, I want to say something. Mom, what Ashvi said, I can't hear her properly. I think there is a network issue for
I shall tell you the last line. You better start from the third paragraph. That is, she thought there was something. You start from there.
She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was.
It was very wonderful, Anushka. Very nice.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Now it is Anvi Kothari's turn. Then Aryaman Sanghai. Then Ayan Agarwal. Wait for you. I have already announced the names. Otherwise, your turn you will miss. Anvi Kothari, how long we will wait for you? Aryaman Singhai. Then Ayan Agarwal and then Ayansh Jain.
Yes, ma'am. Burning witch porcelain and followed by the waste rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit.
First thing you have started in a wrong with a wrong sentence. Aryaman, stop. You have started with a wrong sentence, Aryaman. And you are reading also wrong. It is not rabbit start running. It is rabbit started running. I am giving you marks for this reading, children. Please pay proper attention. We are not passing our time here. So everybody should read perfectly. As I have taught you, voice modulation, you should express your feelings. Those everything should come out when you read a passage. So Aryaman, on page number 66, Alice was burning with curiosity. Start from there, Aryaman.
What, ma'am? What you said?
66, Alice was burning with curiosity.
Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down in a large rabbit hole.
Good, Aryaman. Good.
Jumped
Enough.
into
Stop. After Aryaman, who was there? Yes, Ayan Agarwal, then Ayansh Jain, and then Ayush Singhania. Is Ayan Agarwal aware of it? Ayan Agarwal? Sorry, he has missed his turn. I cannot give any mark for him. Ayansh Jain, please continue from Alice jumped into. Start fast.
Yes, ma'am. Alice jumped into the rabbit's hole. 2. The rabbit went
It is
down
not two.
and down.
Ayansh, stop. You are reading in a wrong way. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. It is T-double-O. Rabbit hole too. It's not T-O. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. Two means also. Start again.
Alice jumped into the rabbit's hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit's hole. Alice said,
Jain,
loud,
very sorry, Ayansh Jain, very disappointed. I'm very disappointed. See, you should have been okay. I shall ask Ayush Singhania to repeat the thing. Ayush, from page 67, starting from the first sentence, Ayush Singhania. After Ayush, it will be Devyosha Vakharia. It will be Devyosha Vakharia. Just a minute, Ayush. After Devyosha Vakharia, it will be Dhairya Shah, then Dhruv Patel. After the, yes, Samu, I can see you, but your turn will come. After Devyosha Vakharia, it will be Dhairya Shah, then Dhruv Patel. Yes, Ayush, please start.
Ma'am, from the
From the beginning of page number 67.
The rabbit started running, and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud,
Enough, Ayush. Stop. Enough. Wonderful. Superb it was. Correct. Yes. Now who was the next? Devyasha Vakharia. Please start fast, Devyasha, otherwise you will miss your turn.
Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side?
There was a question and you read it perfectly. Correct. So now after Devyasha, it will be Dhairya Shah, then Dhruv Patel, then Dhyan Dalal. Dhairya Shah, Dhruv Patel, Dhyan Dalal. Start.
Yes, ma'am. Can I start? Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw a white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers! How late it's getting!" Alice stood up and saw us.
Enough. Correct. Good. Very good. Yes. Mr. Dalal Dhyan, please. Sorry. Dhruv Patel, then Dhyan Dalal, then Dhyan Shelia. Dhruv Patel, start fast.
Alice
Dhyan
stood
Dalal and Dhyan
saw a
Shelia.
small door, about 15 inch high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a gold.
Dhruv. Enough. Enough. Yes, it was good, Dhruv. Dhyan Dalal, Dhyan Shelia, Ekansh Jain, and then Farzan. Come on, Dhyan Dalal, please start.
Key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight, it felt. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen.
Page number 67, the last line again. Page number 67, the last line again. Start from there.
She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock. To her delight, it was filled. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen.
Dhyan Dalal. Dhyan. Dhyan, stop. Dhyan, stop.
Ma'am, I have stopped.
And it was very bad. It was very bad, Dhyan. थांबलं is बरोबर.
"Ma'am, I can read."
And Dhyan's reading, I'm not satisfied with that. He added some few words on his own and he missed out some words. Ekansh, please start.
How she longed to be among those
No, it is Ekansh's turn.
How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head to the doorway. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly.
Punch, it was good, but the only thing, bright flowers. Okay, somewhere you still have to improve yourself. Otherwise, it was good. Now, Mr. Farzan Bastawala. Mr. Bastawala, I want you to start from the starting. The lesson, page number 65. I mean 66.
65 or 66?
After Farzan, it will be Freya, then Guna Gura, and then Jahan Jariwala. After Farzan, it will be Freya, Guna, Jariwala. Bastawala, please start.
Yes. One day, Alice was lying under a tree, listening to her sisters reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was.
Stop. Use the full stop.
Oh, yes. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh,
Very wrong. You are you are stopping at the wrong punctuation mark. The usage of punctuation marks very wrong. Where there is a comma, there you are not stopping, not taking pause, and where there is full stop, there also, and where there is no full stop, no pause, there you are taking a pause. So please, usage of punctuation mark is missing in your reading. I must say that you must practice loud reading.
okay."
Is that clear, Farzan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Priya, may I please?
Swati ma'am, one second. Vansh,
Yes,
sit
Saidi ma'am.
properly. Vansh Balchandani. Sit properly. Yes, continue, ma'am.
Priya, Gunav, Jariwala, and then Agarwal Jahan. Yes, Priya.
Yes. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered.
Priya, enough. Good. But you missed out one word. Oh dear, I will be too late. That you didn't read. Okay? Yes. After Freya, it is Gunav, Jahan Jariwala, Jahan Agarwal, Jishna Swami. Come on, Gunav, start. Cannot wait for Gunav. Jahan Jariwala.
Yes, ma'am. Where do I start from? A rabbit who wears. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Beta, start.
But where do I start from? A rabbit who wears. That's where I start from. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity, and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running, and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. She wondered.
Jahan, enough. Agarwal, please. Jahan Agarwal. Okay, Gunav, are you there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know where Jahan Agarwal stopped?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm confused.
Gunav, are you aware where the reading is going on? On which page?
67. Ma'am, page 67.
Start from 67, please, Gunav. From the first line of page 67. Please start, Gunav. And Jahan Agarwal, be ready after that.
The rabbit started running, and Elsa followed the rabbit. The rabbit
Help,
settled down.
somebody is giving him the prompting from the backside. I request not to do so. I am here to correct him. Please don't. Let him try.
Popped down a
Large.
large rabbit hole. Elsa
Now stop,
jumped.
Gunav, stop. Gunav, stop. It is not popped, it is popped. Say, repeat after me. Popped.
Popped.
Yes, correct. Correct. Okay. Jahan Agarwal has left the meeting. So now I want Jishna Swami, then Karnav Patel, then Khevna Ankolia. Jishna Swami, Karnav Patel, Khevna Ankolia. Yes, Jishna, please start.
Yes, ma'am. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How miles down? I have fallen."
Karnav, you may start from the second paragraph, page number 67. Karnav, Khevna, Khush Ahuja, Khush Kapadia. Karnav, Khevna, Khush Ahuja, Khush Kapadia.
Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many millions down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, Will I sleep?
Will I slip?
Will I sleep? Others, the earth to the
There
other
was
side.
questions. You did not read it as a question. The starting was, where am I? You read it, where am I? This is a sentence reading. When we are reading the question, it should come out as if we are asking something. So that tone is different. Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? These are the questions. Karnav, are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So next time, be careful and practice at home reading. You must do reading practice at home, Karnav. Yes. After Karnav, I want Khevna, Khush Ahuja, Khush Kapadia, then Lamhasha.
Okay, ma'am. I start from where Karnav left or...
Khevna, I want you to start from Alice said aloud.
Okay. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves.
It is the sound of falling down. So, thumb. Okay, that way it is. Good. Now, Khush Ahuja and Khush Kapadia, Lamhasha. Khush Ahuja, are you there or not? Khush Ahuja. Fine. Now Khush Kapadia. Khush Kapadia. Please start.
Yes, ma'am.
From the third paragraph, page number 67, third paragraph. Kapadia Khush.
Thumb. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Alice stood up.
Enough. Kapadia, enough. Yes, it was up to the mark. Lamha, Man Rajodia and Mickey. Lamha, Man Rajodia, Mickey. Lamha from the third paragraph again.
Thumb. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves.
I want that thumb properly. I want that thumb properly. Start again.
Thumb. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers! How late it's getting!"
Yes, come on, Man and Mickey. Come on, Man, please start fast. I cannot wait for anybody. It's now Migdad Motiwala.
Am I continue from Alice stood up?
Yes.
Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the golden key in the lock, and to her delighted, it fitted.
Very
Alice
good.
opened
Very
the door
good.
and looked into the loveliest garden she had
Enough,
ever
Mickey,
seen.
enough.
How
Mickey, stop. Yes, it was good. It was good. After Mickey, I want Mohit Sharma, Nek Italia, Nishika Choksi. Mohit Sharma, Nek Italia, Nishika Choksi.
How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly.
Mohit, I'm very happy with you. Very nicely you read. Seriously, very good. Nice it was. Yes, after Mohit it is Nek, Nishika, Paranika and Prisha. Nek, Nishika, Paranika and Prisha. Yes, start from page 66 again. Nishika, sorry, Nek.
One day, Alice was lying under a tree, listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had
Camper.
pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big box from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late."
Next stop. Next stop. Good. Nice it was. Now Nishika, Paranika, Prisha, Rahil. Nishika,
Yeah, ma'am.
Paranika, Prisha, Rahil. Nishika, please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I should continue from she thought, no?
Yes.
She thought there was something very different about the rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit.
Nishika, very nice. It was wonderful reading. As I was expecting. Nice.
Thank you.
Good presentation. Paranika, Prisha, Rahil, Riddhi Goyal. Come on, Paranika, I'm waiting for you. Page number 67, Parinika. Start from the first line.
The rabbit started running, and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole.
Enough,
Alice
Parinika,
looked
enough.
around.
Good, it was good. Parinika, you also did wonderful. Wonderfully you did. Yes, now we have Trisha. Please start with the second paragraph. Start.
Okay, ma'am. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting to the center of the earth." She wondered. Well, I flipped through the earth to the other side.
Wonderful,
Alice
Trisha.
landed on a pile.
Enough, Trisha, enough. Wonderful, nice it was. Seriously, very good. Very good. Marvelous reading. Okay, may I have Rahil? Rahil,
Ma'am,
you will
I can start to.
No, you can start from the second paragraph again. Alice said aloud.
Okay, ma'am. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. See wonderfully. Will I see
She wondered.
the earth to the other side?"
Rahil, read again. Rahil, it is she wondered, not she wonderfully. She wondered. Read again.
Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, will I see thought the earth to the
Rahil,
other
stop.
side?
Rahil, you need a lot of practice of reading at home. You need a reading aloud practice. Please do it.
Okay.
It's my suggestion. Very bad reading. Riddhi Goyal, Ridhan Goyal, Riva Kataria. Riddhi Goyal. Riddhi, you will start with the second paragraph again. Alice said aloud. Mohit really read wonderfully. Na?
Okay. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? Thump!
Riddhi,
Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves.
superb. Marvelous. Very good. Ridhan, continue. After Ridhan, it will be Riva Kataria, Rudra Manutiya, Rudra Master. Yes, Ekant?
When will you take the speech?
When will I give the?
Man, when will you take the speech of the?
Yes, today. Yes, today. After Rudra Master, there are few more. Today we will stop at Ridhan Goyal, and the next students will meet tomorrow. Ridhan Goyal will be the last one today. Okay, Ridhan, please start.
Thump! Alice landed on a pile of a dry leaf. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and winkers, how late it is getting." Alice stood up and saw a small.
Everything was good, only it is whiskers. Oh, my ears and whiskers. Okay, otherwise everything was good. Okay,
Swati, ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
can I just have a 1 minute?
Yes, please.
Okay, everyone, it's Swati ma'am's birthday today. Can we sing for her happy birthday?
Oh, thank you so much.
Happy birthday
Now when we will visit school, I will give chocolate.
See, two legends were born today. We can say two most important person. One is Swati ma'am and one is Mr. Narendra Modi.
Yes.
So I am celebrating with Narendra Modi today.
Yes, so
Our
lucky.
Ma'am,
Prime Minister.
today is my birthday also.
Who is that?
Ma'am, Anushka.
Oh my God, Anushka, happy birthday.
Oh, Anushka, is it? Wow. Let us congratulate
Thank you,
each other. Let us congratulate each other.
Happy birthday, Swati ma'am.
Okay. Anushka, happy birthday to you too. And now speech. The rest children will be reading tomorrow. Okay. After Ridhan Goyal, the rest children will be reading tomorrow. Now, and thank you, everyone. Thank you, everybody. My friends, thank you very much. You made my day.
Mohit, mute
Yes.
yourself, beta. Dhyan Dalal, mute yourself, beta.
Bas, enough now. Enough. Okay. So now there will be speech presentation. Okay. Ekansh, please start.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am presenting. Ma'am, can you see my screen? Ma'am,
Yes, Ekansh.
Ma'am, your voice is coming break.
King, who's mine?
Yes.
I request everyone else to mute so it will be very clear.
You should read also. You cannot just copy paste and present. You should read what you have done.
electricity is an essential resource for a thriving life. It runs our daily life. It runs our daily life. Life without electricity would be impossible to imagine now. We generate electricity using coal or natural gas. However, people do not realize that the natural resources to do as are limited and non-renewable. We must conserve electricity so that we can conserve these resources. In other words, electricity serves mankind greatly. We must stop the wastage of power. The world will lose its light if there is no electricity. Moreover, careless behavior by humans must be checked. We need to realize the importance of electricity to save ourselves from darkness. Electricity is needed in almost every sphere of our life now. We need it to lead a comfortable life full of all amenities and services. The world will become dormant without electricity. For in
Ekansh, stop. See, children, presentation of speech doesn't mean that you have to copy paste from Google. It can be clearly seen that Ekansh has taken the sentences, copied and pasted. Because he cannot even pronounce. He cannot even pronounce few words. It shows that he himself has not done this. I do not want. Do you remember Dhairya Shah? How beautifully he has presented his speech regarding the environment. Dhairya Shah, trees. Your topic.
The unforgettable incident in my life.
Unforgettable incident, yes. How beautifully he has presented. I do not want such. This is not a speech. This you have copying and pasting from the Google and then reading it to me. I don't want this. I want your own views. You have to form your own sentences. Is that clear? Akash, make it a simpler at your level and you should read it. I will not accept this. Yes, who is the next? Who is ready for the next? Is there anybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's there? Was it Khevna?
And Vivan Patel.
Vivan Patel. Okay, please start.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait a second. Ma'am, can I start? Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Wait, Vivan, she will come. Wait. Swati ma'am, are you there? Vivan, you have prepared this presentation.
Ma'am, my sister also helped me.
Very nice, very nice. Let's see. Wait, if Swati ma'am is, I think, stuck. So let her come so she can see you properly, okay? Swati ma'am, can you hear?
Ask me, ma'am, let me know. I will start.
Ma'am, let me know when I start.
Yeah, Swati ma'am is there. You can start. She is writing in the, I can see you, Swati ma'am, but it was hung up. Now, okay, Vivan, you can start.
Okay, please
Ma'am, my
start.
PPT is visible?
Perfectly.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, all. Myself, Vivan Patel. Today, I am presenting on conservation of electricity. Save electricity, save Earth. The story of Lee. This is Lee and his mother. For conservation electricity, let's see his interesting story. Lee loves watching TV and playing video games. Even he turned on lights while sleeping. Lee always forgot to turn off the TV and he likes to leave all the lights on at TV so he is not scared. Turn off the lights, Lee, shouts his mother every night. But Lee doesn't listen. He needs the light on to sleep. One day at school, Miss Ella explains how too much electricity is bad for Earth. Lee asks, "But I never used electricity, do I?" Miss Ella replies, "Well, electricity is what powers that TV, the toaster and anything else that is plugged in or switched on. That's why we make sure that we turn off the light when we don't need them." That night, Lee tells his mom, he doesn't need the lights on to sleep anymore. He turns off all the lights in house before bed. Lee is not scared of dark anymore. He wants to keep Earth healthy and happy. That night, the stars were brighter and the house is more peaceful than ever.
The moral of the story is let's save electricity to save Earth. It starts with us. So now let's understand 16 ways to save electricity. First, switch off the lights.
Ivan, don't read. Don't read. I'm impressed by your hard work. Very good. See, Vivan also has taken, it can be clearly seen that he has also taken the help of internet, Google, here, there, but he has worked hard for that. He has made something out of it. He has not just taken everything, copied and pasted. Okay, so Vivan, wonderful it was. Very good. Am I audible to you?
So you can see that he is wearing shirt and tie for the presentation.
Yes. Yes, that's true.
Ma'am.
That's true. So I'm very much happy, Vivan. Really, a golden work I should. Good. Yes, Mickey?
Ma'am, you are saying that Ivan has taken the help of Google, but not really. He has made just pictures.
Exactly. So
I copied.
by drawing. Just copying and pasting is different thing. That's what I wanted to tell you. That you just don't copy and paste. You may take the help of Google. It's a good thing. It's good, but just don't
not copy paste.
Bringing and
Let's just draw the pictures by seeing in the Google.
okay.
Right.
So shall we stop here today our class? Vivan,
My
very
presentation
much
is not.
I'm delighted with your work.
Ma'am,
Now,
but
who's
ma'am,
tomorrow?
my presentation is not
9:45 here. We have the next class also. It is 9:45 here. We have the next class. So tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
You everybody. Bye.
Bye, Swati ma'am. Happy birthday once again.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send me for the reading class? Bye, ma'am. Ma'am, can you send the students who is in the reading class? Excuse me, ma'am.